What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So considering that it's New Year's Eve and I'm Puerto Rican, tis the season for coquito. So you guys know that I'm dairy free, so I had to search for a dairy free recipe for coquito and I found one, so I want to share it with you guys. While I was editing videos, I was in the mood to make it, but then I'm like, you know what, let me make a video to let them know what's in it, so you guys know that it is dairy free. And we're gonna go ahead and get it done, you guys. So I've got my blender here, and again, this is dairy free, so everything I'm using is dairy free. So I've got half a cup of almond milk, so we're gonna put that right into the blender. Yes, that's half a cup. Excuse the lighting, you guys. This is like a last minute video. I was gonna do this for myself, but I'm like, you know what? Sharing is caring, so let me share it. So that was half a cup of almond milk. So then I've got a whole can of coconut milk, and we're gonna go ahead and pour that in there. It may be a little chunky, but that's okay because the blender's gonna take care of that. All right. So then we've got a can of condensed coconut milk. You can find this in your supermarket or at your specialty store. So we're gonna go ahead and dump the whole can in there. Again, this is a whole can. Like typically, regular coquito calls for regular condensed milk, evaporated milk, you know, like the regular stuff, but I'm not using that because this is dairy free. So everything is coconut based. And then we're gonna go ahead and add a can of cream of coconut. So we're gonna add that in there. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like so far. I'm starting to get like coquito vibes now. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. So again, it is half a cup of almond milk, a can of coconut milk, a can of coconut cream, and a can of condensed coconut milk. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our little spices. So we're gonna go ahead and get half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Of course, this is organic nutmeg. And we're gonna dump that in the blender. And then we're gonna do a teaspoon of cinnamon, if my spoon can fit in there, and it cannot. So, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend it. Blend it, blend it. You guys, why does this always happen to me? I can never open these stupid little, I open this with a knife. Don't try that at home. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put the vanilla in there. So that's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that up now. It looks good, y'all. It looks good. It smells just like regular coquito. Of course I'm gonna try it, duh. Now, you wanna chill this for a couple of hours. You don't wanna drink this like hot because it's just better cold. But cheers to 2022. You guys have to try this at home. Dairy-free coquito tastes exactly like regular coquito, except it's dairy-free. You're not missing anything. It's coconut based. So there you guys have it. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video and if you will go and try your coconut dairy-free coquito. Let me know. Thank me later. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Happy New Year's Eve. I will see you guys later. Toodaloo.